So let's get started. I'm gonna briefly show you the 3 items I'm using on her hair. I'm gonna be using some aloe juice. I'm gonna spray the aloe juice in her hair first. Then I'm gonna apply the Sulfur 8 Kids to her scalp. She does have a dry scalp, and I did find that adding the Sulfur 8 to her scalp has helped a lot. And to moisturize her hair, you're gonna see me use that later on. I'm gonna be using my Shebe lemongrass infused butter. After adding the Sulfur 8, I'm gonna massage it into her scalp, and then I'm gonna start with the parting of her hair. Because Tamia's hair is still growing, I do find that certain hairstyles just doesn't work for her. So having a braided look that is braided together, I find that her hair doesn't really stick out when she's like being a toddler and moving around and just doing craziness. So with this hairstyle, you're gonna see me just braid her hair into one cornrow in the back. I'm adding that Shebe hair butter to her hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start parting the braids going towards the back. I did split her hair in the middle, so that's gonna be my guide, and then I'm gonna do C parts to part her hair to go into that one cornrow. Hopefully that makes sense, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about. After getting my section completed, I'm gonna go ahead and braid her hair. I try not to braid her hair too tight because 1, I don't want to make it uncomfortable for her, and also 2, she is just starting to grow her hair, so you don't want to damage your baby's follicles. So just be easy with braiding her hair. If you find that your baby's hair is not really staying when you're braiding it, you can always use like a light gel in her hair. I know that Curly Kids make a defining gel for curly hair, so you can use that to just help keep the braids together. So when I'm finished with braiding her hair, I always like to braid it and then twist it. I do find that twisting the ends helps me take the braids out easier instead of braiding all the way to the end and just trying to take the braids out. So that's just a small tip for you mommies out there. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do my C parts to the left side of her hair. Tip for mommies or stylists out there that works on kids hair, or you're inspiring to work on kids hair, definitely distract them. So right now she's watching Mickey Mouse Roads to Racers on Disney Plus, and that's what's helping her get distracted and keeping her still. This video is a little old. She is 19 months now. I don't remember how old she was when I recorded this video. I am so behind with getting videos out. She now gives me more of a hard time with braiding her hair. I definitely will record that so you can see how to braid a toddler's hair that just is super fussy. So I definitely would do a tutorial so you guys can see how you have to just try to have patience. But right here, you're just seeing me just braid it. And then once I'm done with braiding the hair, then I'm gonna twist it. The back of her hair, well, the sides of her hair, I have about 5 braids. I try not to do her braids too small because the smaller the braids, the longer that she's gonna be sitting in that high chair, and you wanna just do a really quick hairstyle. So I try to do medium-sized braids so that I can just get it over with, basically. And she's not fussy for sitting in the chair too long.
Low key.
So after I completed the left side, I'm gonna do the same thing to the right side of her hair, and then I'm gonna work on the front. The front, I'm just gonna do 3 straight back braids just to give it a little design. So for this, like I said, you're just gonna part the hair, clip the hair to the side, and just braid straight back. And then once I'm done braiding the braids in the front, then I'm gonna join all of the ends of the braids that I made and make one big cornrow in the back. So here you can see me take the 3 braids at the top to start my cornrow, and then I'm just gonna keep gathering the hair, and I'm just gonna braid down to make one cornrow in the back. And then just to tuck the ends of her hair away, I'm just gonna use just a scrunchie to tuck it away. I did purchase some bows that I loved from Amazon, so I will link the bows that I use on her hair now below. I think it makes her style look so cute. With the bows in her hair, but for this tutorial I didn't have the bows handy, so I'm just gonna take a scrunchie, which I should have not used the scrunchie because the thread was like coming out, but anyway, I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and just tuck her hair away. I really don't do too much baby hairs for her. I just don't know how to do baby hairs, so this is just me attempting to smooth her baby hairs down just to make it look a little fancy. And that's basically it. This style takes about 30 minutes to do. She always loves to look in the mirror once I'm done doing her hair, so that's her just checking herself out. She knows she cute. Look at her. She knows she cute. She want to smile. But that's just basically my tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you moms out there want more tutorials for your toddlers, please let me know below. And that's all I have. So here's some just cool shots of her just out and about. You know, she cute. She cute. Look at that cuteness there. But yeah, so like I said, if you like this video, please thumbs it up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, and as a bonus, how does your baby sleep at night? I put a bonnet on her head. So this is actually a new bonnet for me, and what I did is I just stitched it a little bit to put on her head. I usually put a bonnet on her head like the first 3 days so it doesn't get messed up, and after that she can go ahead and do what she wants. So there's her tuckered out with the bonnet on her head. Here's 2 more videos you can check out if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.